Hello students, in today's business studies class, we are going to discuss the functions of bank. So already one basic function, that is accepting the deposit, we have already discussed in the previous video. Now coming to the next functions, what services bank is providing to us. The next main function is lending of funds. It means providing financial help to the person who need this in terms of loan, cash credit, overdraft. There are different ways. Like we have deposited our money in the bank. Now what the bank will do with this money? To earn more profit. Like we are depositing the money just to earn. We are not keeping our money at our house. We are depositing or investing it in the bank. And now in the bank, that money we have deposited, now the bank will again reinvest it by providing loan to the public who need actually. So in the different ways, as a loan, different types of loan are available. It can be according to the need of the person. Then cash credit, it's also a credit limit that is generally granted to the public. Then overdraft facilities also there. A person can withdraw more than the balance it is having in their account. But why the bank will do, or why the bank is providing this? Bank will not do anything for free. It will charge high rate of interest, and then it needs some of the security also. Whenever you are going to take any loan, the bank generally demands for any kind of securities. So in this way the loan has been granted to the public. So it is lending of funds. Now moving to the next topic, that is check facility. Now we all know that it's a very common instrument. It's a very common instrument for making payments. So check is generally an order, we can call it an order on a specific bank to make payment in the account of a particular person or XYZ. So basically check is of two types, bearer check and cross check. Bearer check, it is also known as a naked check actually. Bearer check, it means it can be encashed immediately on the cash counter. Immediately you can get the payment of this bearer check on the cash counter. जैसे हम एक normal check लेकर जाते हैं, उसकी हमें immediately we can receive the payment of that cash counter पर ही जिसकी हमें payment मिल जाती है. Now the other one is cross check. Now when we make two cross lines on the corner, or we can write account only, pay only, such type of words we write down on the one side, upper side of the check. This is known as crossing the check. When we make cross lines, it means the account, the money will only transferred in the account of the pay. Pay is a person who will receive the money of the check, who is going to receive the money of the check. So it is the safest mode. Only the amount will goes or transferred in the payment account, in the pays account only. Then now next function is remittance of funds. Remittance means transfer. Remittance, a general meaning is transfer. How the money is transferred from one place to another place. Now there are different ways the bank is providing us with the help of the draft, net banking, NEFT, RTGS. These are the different ways. Like draft is the safest mode to transfer the money from one place to another place. Then we are having net banking services also, NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer, and RTGS. What is the difference? Basic difference between the RTGS and NEFT. The amount which is less than 2 lakh is generally transferred under the NEFT, and more than 2 lakh it is transferred under the RTGS. Again I am repeating the full form. NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer, and it took time to transfer the money in NEFT. दोनों में basic difference यही है, amount का और एक time का. RTGS, we can immediately transfer the money. That is known as real time gross settlement. Now after all these functions, the bank is also providing us the different services which are not actually the main purpose of the bank, but now the time is changing. So bank has also changed some of its activities. Now what are the different services that the bank is providing us? Now we can see the locker facility. We are not keeping our valuable goods at our home. हमारी जितनी भी ज्वेलरी है, पेपर्स हैं, वो आज के टाइम में हम घर सेफ नहीं मानते उन्हें रखना. So these are generally kept in the bank. The bank provides the locker facility at a minimum rent. But you must have an account when you are going for the locker facility. Then financial information of the customer. Financial information of the customer. Now, sometime suppose I am going to give loan to a particular person. उस person ने मुझसे लोन के लिए कहा या पैसे के लिए मांगा, तो मुझे नहीं पता कि वो कल को पर्सन को मुझे पैसा वापस दे पाएगा या नहीं दे पाएगा. So what I can ask? I can ask the detail. I can inquiry about him from his bank account. So bank generally provides such type of information whenever it is needed by someone. So such type of information can also be provided. Then bills payment. Nowadays we are seeing that different types of bills. हमारे electricity bills हैं, gas bills हैं, different kinds of bills with the help of this net banking can be paid with the help of when we connected with the bank. Then personal services. Suppose I have taken an insurance policy. अब ईयरली मेरा पॉलिसी जानी है. इट मे बी क्वार्टरली, इट मे बी 6 मंथली, कोई भी टर्म हो सकती है उस पॉलिसी की. सो व्हेन आई हैव टू मेक पेमेंट, मुझे बार बार बैंक जाने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. मैंने कोई आरडी खोली है, आरडी अकाउंट इज देयर. सो बार बार आई डोंट नीड टू मूव टू द बैंक अगेन एंड अगेन. व्हाट आई विल इंस्ट्रक्ट द बैंक दैट ऑन द फॉलोइंग डेट, ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डेट, द बैंक विल ट्रांसफर दिस मनी from my account to that particular account. Then underwriting services. Now what are underwriting? Underwriting means when the company issues the share, there are two type of agents, brokers and the underwriters. Brokers generally charge their commission and whatever shares they have sold, and the remaining they give back to the company. Now underwriters, bank is now performing the work of underwriting also. So in underwriting generally the bank bank takes the shares from the companies and then they issue to the person who need this. So nowadays this function also performed by the bank. Then foreign exchange facility. Now we know when person is going to foreign, so sometime this facility is also provided by some of the selected bank, that they exchange our currency. They exchange our currency. So in this way the different types of services have been provided by the banks. Once again I am repeating, lending of funds, that means providing loan facility in the different ways. Then check facility. Check, I have repeated, two types of checks are there. Bearer check, immediate you can have the cash on the cash counter, but the cross check, your amount will be transferred only in the account of the pay. Pay is the person who is going to receive the amount. Then remittance of fund means transfer facility. With the help of net banking, NEFT, RTGS, we are having the different kinds of transferring our funds from one place to another place. The last one is allied services that I have just described. Locker facility provided, financial information about any of the customer. Then bills payment through the help of net banking. Personal services like making payment of our insurance policy and other policies, underwriting, and then foreign exchange. So this was the topic of today that we have covered, students.